Hello and welcome to Yo-tas Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making rice pilaf. So I have 1 cup of long-grained rice, white rice. I have half a cup of thin noodles, 1/4 of a cup of pine nuts, 2 tablespoons of butter melting, and I'm going to be adding 2½ cups of chicken broth. So I will be back when I'm on the next step. Thank you for watching. Hello and welcome back to Yo-tas Kitchen. So as you can see, my butter's almost melted. I'm going to be adding the pinoli nuts in there, which are the pine nuts. I'll get the rest out. There you go. Why let anything go to waste? Okay, so the butter is slowly melting. I don't have it on high. I want the pinoli nuts to brown a little bit in the butter. So I am going to let this cook for maybe about a minute, maybe 2 minutes, or until brown. So depending on how hot my pot gets. So once they start to get a little color, not a lot, I'm going to be adding the fine noodles. So I'll be back when I'm doing that. Thank you. Welcome to Yo-tas Kitchen. I wanted to show you my pinoli nuts, or pinoli nuts, I should say, or pine nuts. As you can see, they're starting to get brown. I don't want them to burn, so I'm going to add the fine noodles. And then I'm just going to stir them in. And I want the noodles to get nice and toasty. And again, I'm going to do this little by little. I'm going to let you go for a few minutes, and I'll be back when it's about ready to put in the rice. Thank you for watching Yo-tas Kitchen. Okay, so you see the noodles? They're starting to brown a little bit. So I want you to continue to stir. You don't want anything to burn, and the pinoli nuts are starting to brown too, so they're toasting nice. I did lower the heat just a little bit because I don't want this to burn. I just want a little color in the rice. So as this is getting ready, which is quickly browning, and you see the butter in here, you see that? It's browning. I'm gonna add the rice to this right now, because if I wait any longer, it's gonna get too dark and I don't want it to burn. So here's the rice, and I added a pinch of salt in here already, and I'm just going to stir this in really nicely, just for probably 30 seconds to a minute, not long. And then I'm going to add the 2½ cups of chicken broth, and I am going to let it cook normal directions as on the rice package, which is usually about 20 minutes. So there you go. I'll be back when it's done, and I'll show you what it looks like. Thank you for watching Yo-tas Kitchen. Hello and welcome to Yo-tas Kitchen. I wanted to show you my pilaf, my rice pilaf. So here it is. This is what it looks like. You see how the pinoli nuts came all the way to the top? This is so nice. So just stir it, and then use it for instance, I'm going to use it as a bed of rice for my other meal, or I'm going to at least put it to the side. See how nice and moist it is, and look at that. Isn't that great? So bon appetit, or kaliorexi, with my rice pilaf. And if you want, you can also add about 1/4 of a cup of golden raisins towards the end, and then just stir them in when it's all done. And you can eat it like that too. But I'll be back. Thank you for watching Yo-tas Kitchen. I hope you like this recipe. Let me know. Thank you.